Tired of waiting for your sandwich to grill, only to find the outside burnt and the inside uncooked still? Not anymore. Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my brand new Gotham Steel Electric Sandwich Grill. The fastest way to make a crispy toasted sandwich, cut down the middle with all the ingredients sealed inside. And just look at that warm melted centre. The super strong copper titanium design has an ultra non-stick ceramic surface, so you'll never need oil or butter again because nothing sticks, not even these eggs. Amazing! In just minutes, grill a perfect turkey and pesto panini melt or a kicked up toasted peanut butter sandwich for the kids. Plus look, just rotate it and close it to cut it in quarters. Even cheesy quesadillas come out perfect in my grill. Plus, it's great for making mini pizza pockets. Just use store-bought dough. And there's no slippery messes, because my grill locks all the tasty surprise right inside. Delicious. Even breakfast is easy. Pour eggs into the cavity, and then add ham, some cheese, and close the grill. Everything slides right out for the best omelette ever. No cleaning needed here. Or how about French toast stuffed with cheesecake and berries? So fast and easy. Watch this. Cover a chocolate bar with cake batter and then grill. In less than 3 minutes, feast your eyes on the most delicious oozing dessert. Gotham Steel Electric Sandwich Grill.